Right now, as you watch this, there are people in the United States, the UK, Australia and Canada opening their first crypto exchange accounts. Some of them will do it correctly. Verify properly. Set up their security the right way. And be ready to trade within 24 hours. Others will rush through the process. Skip the security steps. Make small mistakes that cause big problems later. Today, you are going to be in the first group. I am going to walk you through setting up both Binance and Bybit, the two most important crypto exchanges for beginners, step by step. Every click, every setting, every security feature. Nothing skipped. And I am going to show you one security mistake that almost every beginner makes during setup, that leaves their account completely exposed. Stay with me because this one will save you. Here is what happens to most beginners. They Google how to buy crypto. They find Binance or Bybit. They sign up in 2 minutes. They skip the verification. They skip the two-factor authentication. They deposit money straight away. Then one of two things happens. Either they cannot withdraw their money because their account is not properly verified. Or worse, their account gets compromised because they skipped the security steps. Neither of these need to happen to you. Because today we do this properly. From the very beginning. Before we get into the setup, why Binance and Bybit specifically? Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world by trading volume. It supports over 350 coins. It is available in most countries. And it is the best place to start for spot trading, which is buying and selling crypto with real money. Bybit is one of the fastest growing exchanges globally. It has become the go-to platform for futures trading, which we will cover in video 6. It is also beginner-friendly, has excellent customer support, and offers some of the best educational resources of any exchange. Together, these two platforms cover everything you need as a beginner and beyond, which is exactly why Level 3 uses both. Let us start with Binance. Step 1. Go to Binance.com. Do not search for it on Google and click random links. Type it directly into your browser. This protects you from phishing sites, fake websites designed to look exactly like Binance but steal your login details. Step 2. Click Register. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Your password must be at least 8 characters and include numbers, letters, and symbols. Do not use the same password you use for anything else. Step 3. Verify your email. Binance will send a 6-digit code to your email. Enter it immediately. This confirms your email is real and active. Step 4. Complete identity verification. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer. You will need to upload a government-issued ID. A passport or national ID card works perfectly. You will also need to take a selfie. This process usually takes between a few minutes and 24 hours to approve. Do not skip this step. Without KYC, your withdrawal limits will be severely restricted. You may not be able to access your money when you need it. Step 5, and this is the security step most people skip. Enable two-factor authentication, also called 2FA. Go to your account security settings. Download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Link it to your Binance account. From now on, every time you log in, you will need both your password and a 6-digit code from the app. This makes it almost impossible for anyone to access your account, even if they know your password. This one step protects everything. Do not skip it. Now Bybit. The process is very similar, but there are a few important differences. Step 1. Go to bybit.com directly in your browser. Same rule as before, type it directly. Never click random links. Step 2. Click Sign Up. Enter your email and create a strong unique password. Step 3. Verify your email with the code Bybit sends you. Step 4. Complete KYC verification on Bybit as well. You will need the same ID documents. Bybit verification is usually faster than Binance, often completing within minutes. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication on Bybit as well. Go to Account Security. Link Google Authenticator. Done. One important note about Bybit. Bybit is not available to residents of the United States due to regulatory restrictions. If you are based in the US, Bybit has a separate platform called Bybit US, or you can use Coinbase or Kraken as your second exchange instead. Let me tell you about Sophie. Sophie is a 28-year-old teacher in Australia. She decided to start her crypto journey in early 2024. She set up her Binance account properly. Completed KYC. Everything done correctly. 3 months later, someone tried to access her account. They had her email and password from a data breach on another website she used. They tried to log in. They could not get in. Because Sophie had 2FA enabled. Without the 6-digit code from her phone, the login was blocked completely. Her account, and all her crypto, was safe. Sophie never even knew about the attempt until Binance sent her a security alert email. That is what proper setup looks like. That is what one extra step during registration protects you from. By the way, if you want daily crypto tips, market updates, and a community of people learning crypto just like you, join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. It is completely free. And I am in there every day answering questions directly. Come join us. Here is the bottom line on exchange setup. Use Binance for spot trading. Use Bybit for futures trading. Always go directly to the official website, never through random links. Complete KYC verification fully before depositing anything. And always, enable two-factor authentication. It is the single most important security step you will ever take on any exchange. Your account is only as safe as your setup. Do it right once. And never worry about it again. In the next video, we cover how to fund your crypto account. How to deposit money safely. Which payment methods work best? And the one mistake most beginners make when sending their first deposit that can cause it to get stuck or lost entirely. Subscribe right now so you do not miss it. Drop a comment below. Have you already set up a Binance or Bybit account? Tell me yes or no. And if you have, did you enable 2FA? Be honest. See you in the next class.